So I figured I'd show you a little video of how this works. So I can come up and my tailgate opens by touching this button twice, and the back hatch will come open with the tailgate dropping down. Just like that. And then I have just a switch right now to turn on the lights on the inside. So I got the lights going all the way around there, and then also I added the lights right through there to where it turns on and off with the switch. Those lights were already there when I bought it, but this one here I added. Then this is my this is the solenoids that I put on there to where it pulls the latch mechanisms right here. So when this gets latched, the cable, the silver cable, comes over here, and like this one controls that one, and then the same thing for this one controls that one. And I just have it to where when I mess with the tailgate and make it open, they move. So whenever I go to do the tailgate, and then just shut it, then reach up, shut this one, and then I also have the turn dial to open it like that. It also has a lock mechanism on the glass itself, so when I lock it, I can't do nothing about it, but then I can just unlock it and it unlatches, and then just press my tailgate button twice and it all opens up. So, and then the drawer system, all I gotta do is turn this little thing sideways and just give it a big old pull. Just like that. So that's how that works. And then you kind of already seen it, but I have the AC unit mounted on the board there and over there, 2x4s, holding it up a little higher to where I can get my tote up under it. And then the AC unit sits on top of this board. It's been bolted with brackets there, and it's been taped up against the back window and stuff, and it just sits there the whole time. And then on the inside of the truck, that's lights. You don't see these, you only see this in camera, but those lights watch my eyes to make sure that my eyes are on the road. Then push button start. Then the headlights actually move. You can see them moving in the background right there. But also I open up my back window. And then there is the AC unit with the duct. I know it's a little hard to see back here, but yeah. And then that little, it's aluminum, it's a foil that blows the air into the cab, helps it circulate in here. Yeah, that's pretty much the setup.